بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين حمدا يوافي نعمه ويكافي مزيدا اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد مفتاح باب رحمة الله عدد ما في علم الله صلاة وسلاما دائمين بدوام ملك الله وعلى آله وصحبه عدد كل ذرة ألف مرة ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ustadh Faizan and I'm here, alhamdulillah, in the sacred city of Tareem in Hadramaut, Yemen. And we're here in a masjid called Masjid Al-Mihdar. There's a lot that can be said about this place, but suffice it to say, alhamdulillah, it's a big blessing to be here and to learn from our teachers. I'm planning, inshallah, to return during Ramadan and to carry out a series of classes at the local masjid, the Havering Islamic Cultural Centre. Now, during Ramadan, we often send messages to each other, and the messages tend to begin with Ramadan Kareem. And mashallah, it's a month that is Kareem, it's a noble month, it's a generous month. And in addition to this, it's the month of the Quran. Shahru Ramadan, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned, بعد بالله من الشيطان الرجيم شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس والبينات من الهدى والفرقان. That the month of Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was sent down as a guidance for mankind and a clear guidance for mankind and a criterion. Now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He also mentions about the Quran, إِنَّهُ لَقُرْآنٌ كَرِيمٌ, that this Quran is kareem, it's noble, it's generous. And one of our teachers here, they mentioned that the meaning of this is that it has a multitude of openings and lessons that we can learn from it every single time that we read it. One of them, they would read the Quran, and every single Ramadan they would receive new openings. So inshallah, this is our intention for these classes, is to learn more about the Quran, to get some understanding of what we recite in the Taraweeh and some of the spiritual benefits of fasting as well. So do join us, and there's no greater blessing that we could have than to be connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through the words that were blessed upon the tongue of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And as he's mentioned sallallahu alayhi wa sallam in a hadith, ما اجتمع قوم في بيت من بيوت الله يتلون كتاب الله ويتدارسونه بينهم, that no group comes together in a house from the houses of Allah reciting the book of Allah and teaching it to each other, ويتدارسونه بينهم إلا نزلت عليهم السكينة, except that complete tranquility, peace comes upon them, tranquility descends upon them, وغشيتهم الرحمة, and that mercy completely encompasses them, وحفتهم الملائكة, and that the angels completely surround them. So that type of feeling that we get when we are all together reciting the Quran and learning about it, this is a reality that has been mentioned to us by our Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And even greater than that the hadith finishes in Sahih Muslim, وَذَكَرَهُمُ اللَّهُ فِي مَنْ عِنْدَهُ, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes mention of those people to those who are around him, i.e. the greatest of the angels. So do join us, inshallah. We'll all take benefit, we'll all receive some portion of this mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala during Ramadan, and we will inshallah be mentioned amongst those who are the closest to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we pray that it's a month of benefit, it's a month of standing and in prayer and fasting for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that all of our fasts are accepted. Allahumma barik lana fi Rajab wa Sha'ban wa ballighna Ramadan. May Allah put barakah in what's past of Rajab and what is to come of Sha'ban, his last couple of days, and may He allow us to reach Ramadan in safety and security, and to have all of our deeds accepted in this month. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.